Maricopa County residents, check your mailboxes as ballots are heading out in the mail this week. I'm looking into a large bond that could expand mental health resources for our area with the property tax increase.
Reverend Sandy Johnson serves in many ways, and in them all, she sees the need for better mental health care.
You never know when we're going to be the one in crisis.
As a Valley Interfaith Project leader and senior pastor at Red Mountain United Methodist Church,
I deal with a lot of people every day who have mental health crises.
And a mom.
My youngest, when she was 16, had a mental health crisis and required hospitalization. We were really limited on where she could go.
And even in her former work life.
My first career was in mental health. I was a behavioral therapist.
She's hoping for the passage of Proposition 409.
It will save lives.
The proposition will appear on November ballots and those being sent out this week. It's for a nearly $900 million bond for Valleywise Health to build a 200-bed behavioral health hospital and expand emergency, outpatient, and inpatient services.
As we've seen the population grow here within Maricopa County, one of the large challenges we have is space to be able to have timely access to care.
The cost would fall on property tax owners for no longer than 30 years. Yes on 409 estimates an increase of 11 cents per $100, not on your full value of your property, but rather on the assessed limited property value that can be found on your property tax bill. For example, if a house has a limited value of $256,000, their assessed LPV is $25,000. That would turn into $28 per year.
And I worry about where this ends in terms of property tax.
While Andrew Adams has seen the gaps in behavioral health care,
my family's dealt with personally. I have family members that I'm currently in the process of spending thousands of dollars to help subsidize where there are holes in mental health care.
He's worried the tax increase would create more problems for families already struggling financially.
That are on fixed incomes, the families that are struggling day to day. It's about protecting those property tax increases because it's just a compounding debt year over year with these elections.
He said he'd rather see major local organizations with deep charitable revenue streams step up their fundraising to alleviate the cost on taxpayers. Arizona voters approved another Valleywise bond in 2014 for more than $900 million. That allowed the system to build their new large campus and modernize community centers.
To me, it's a small price to pay.
In Phoenix, Lillian Donahue, ABC 15, Arizona.